Sure, watch out because he's gonna try to roll.
He is rolling.
Oh my god.
Leroy.
What's going on, guys? Leroy and
Maya.
And today what we are going to be doing in this video
is washing our dog.
Washing our foster dog, Murphy. So, I must say it's my first time washing a dog ever. So, I'm sure a lot is in stores in this video for you guys. Funny moments. Baby, pay attention to the dog, please. I mean to the, oh my god.
Attention to the dog.
She is paying attention to the dog.
He's running.
The camera. All right. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell your friend, tell your mother, tell everybody.
And ring
everybody.
the bell.
Everybody. Ring the bell.
Follow us on
subscribe.
Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram. Where is it going to be, baby?
It is going to be right here.
All of that. Right there. All of that. So, boom. Check it. We're going to get into this video and hopefully you guys like it. All right. Peace. Come here. What's in the bag?
That pack.
Ain't no pack and no bag. Stuff to clean the dog. What we got in here? What we got in here?
A brush.
Wow.
Dog shampoo.
We gotta get some nice shots of those. Is that where we're going? Sit. 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 Come here. Come here. Oh my god, go. Go. Oh, go. Go.
Come on, Murphy.
Go outside.
Fine. Sit. Look. No sitting. Sit. Look. Horrible.
Fertilizer. What is that? Yo, they're gonna look and be like, yo, I thought this dude had a big old camera the way the quality clear on them videos.
Let's go. Look. He's ready. As you can tell, he's so excited about this. Murphy, are you excited?
We'll go.
You excited?
We'll go. We'll go. Stop.
All right, let's go.
Stop. You piranha.
He's a very hyperactive dog. He wants. No. He's doing good. I think next time we give Murphy a bath, you have to play with him.
Hold on. Go. Baby, that's flat. Shower. Yep.
He's gonna try to pull.
Okay, it's okay.
He's gonna try to get him used to the water.
Good boy.
You gotta turn around. I can't
Good
get the other side.
boy. Good. Oh, look at the baby. Maybe we should give him treats.
When you're done. When you're done, you give him a treat.
When we're done, we give him a treat.
Yep.
Okay, shampoo.
Make sure, watch out because he's gonna try to roll.
He is rolling.
Oh my god.
Leroy. Okay.
What are you doing, my guy?
I have soap in my hand.
What?
Soap.
What's going on here?
Okay. Do not roll. Good boy. Oh, you're gonna get a new treat. Good boy. Good. Oh, good job. Oh, good job. You're doing good. Here. Here. Now we gotta go up here. See this? Right up here. Yep. So there's soap up here. Oh, you gotta be nicer with the water. No, he gets scared of it when it goes that fast. You gotta do it light, yeah. Yeah, light. He is a very clean dog. Good boy! Let's try to get this other side of his hip because I see the soap. Oh. You're just gonna start pulling now because it's okay.
Come on, watch it.
It's okay. Good boy. It's okay. Here. Good boy. Oh! Oh no! Murphy! No! Oh, Leroy, you gotta pick up the baby. Pick up the baby. Okay. Okay, the baby. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's pick up the baby. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. You gotta get him up there.
Here. Ow. Who's that guy? Na 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 na.
You gotta get his sheet from the dryer.
His name is Murphy.
No, let me get the sheet from the couch on the dryer. Eat for your couch!
And I'm stepping on his leash. Don't try to jump, cause
That's just clean, like you're clean.
you can't yet. Don't eat all that. Whose toothbrush is that, boy? Murphy's about to lick it. Oh, you want some music? And he goes, and he walks, and he runs. Run, Murphy, run!
Oh!
Run!
You look so beautiful, baby! Give me a kiss. You look so good. You did a good job. We have to give him a treat. We have to give him so many treats. Stop!
He does not know what you're talking about because Murphy is Murphy.
Stop! Sit down. Good boy! Look at me. Look at me. Give me pop.
Trying not to step on
know
your...
what that is.
Yes, he does. Give me pop.
Not yet.
Leroy listen. Pop.
Murphy!
You did good. You did so good.
Yo, he is not a Murphy, bro.
No,
Really not.
He is not good. Ah. 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 Ah.
He's excusing toys.
Yeah, he really does.
Ow. 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 Hey, okay, that's it. That hurts. You did it too hard.
Oh. Oops, sorry.
Ow. Murphy. again for the win. And he's stepping on my hand to try to bite my hand. Murphy. Ah, boss. Stop. And he's still wet, and he has no arms. Murphy!